In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a service delivery workflow in ClickUp. By the end, you'll have a clean, repeatable system to track every stage of your client work from onboarding to final delivery. First, open ClickUp in your browser or desktop app and log in. If you're brand new, a quick sign-in gets you into your workspace. This will be your control center for everything we're about to set up. We'll start by creating a dedicated space to keep service delivery separate from other work. Click Spaces, choose Add Space and name it Service Delivery. Make sure lists are enabled. Lists are perfect for tracking tasks and client work in a structured way, and they'll give us the visibility we need as the workflow grows. Inside that space, add a folder called Delivery Workflow. Think of the folder as a container for all the pieces that make up your service pipeline, keeping everything connected and easy to find. Now create a list named Active Services. This is where the action happens. Each task in this list will represent a service being delivered to a client, so you can see all active engagements at a glance. Before we go further, if you need ClickUp on desktop or want to use the web version, there's a link at the top of the description to get you straight to the official download or website. Grab it there so you're using the most up-to-date version. Add tasks for each service step you run. Common examples include client onboarding, deliverable creation, review and feedback, and final delivery. Name them clearly so your team knows exactly what each task represents, and add brief descriptions if you need extra context. Next, add custom fields to capture the details that matter. Create fields for client name, service type, deadline, assigned staff, and status. Custom fields help you filter, sort, and report on the work without digging into each task, which is especially useful as your client list grows. Set task statuses to reflect your process. Use Not Started, In Progress, Review, and Completed. Keep the statuses simple and meaningful so everyone understands what to do next. You can also color code them for quicker scanning. Finally, monitor your delivery workflow using the views that fit your style. List view is great for details and sorting by deadlines. Board view gives you a visual pipeline you can drag and drop. If you use dashboards, bring in widgets to track workload and due dates at a higher level. That's it. You now have a simple ClickUp system to manage service delivery and keep your workflow organized. Thanks for watching.